guys, welcome to our channel. Ito guys, another batch of our collections. Ito, napakagandang klaseng collections na ba to? Look at this guys, kung anong klaseng ba to ito guys. Ito the combination of the textures, the colors of the stones. Look at this guys, napakaganda po. Tignan nyo po yung kulay niya, kung ano, crystallized siya. Crystallized, napakaganda. Kakaibang stone. Really beautiful guys, napaganda po. Ngayon po siya guys, oh. Ito po siya klaseng stone ito. Titignan natin kung ito ba'y quartz stone or agate stone. Napaganda talaga guys. Collections natin. Mas meron tayo araw-araw nito guys. Napakaganda ng mga collections at this guys. Ayan, napakaganda niya. Crystallized all around stone, stripes color white. This combination, kakaiba talaga yung stone natin. Napakaganda ng collection ito. Guys, meron pa dito guys. Look at this one. Ayun sa tingin nyo dito guys. Comment down below what can you say about this type of stones. Ayan, ito pangatlo nating stone. Napakaganda. Please comment down below for those who have information about this stone. Thank you. Ito yung isang rare na klase ng stone. Napakamahal na ito. Napakaganda din to. Ayan. So, agree ba kayo dyan guys? Itong klaseng stone na to. Napakamahal nito. Purple white combination of textures ng kanyang kulay. Ayan po. Ay ba? Ang ganda nito guys. Ito. Yan natin to guys. Okay, yan. Ibang klase naman to guys. Napakaganda din ito. Yan siya, oh. Look at this guys. Isang klaseng bato. Napakaganda nito guys. Pag na-polish guys, nagiging mga gemstone ito sila. Ito greenstone. Ayan siya. Tingkad ng kulay ng green na to. Napakaganda. Napakakinis din. Ayan. Fresh na fresh. Nakita natin kanina. Here. Look at this, napakaganda ng kanya pagka-green. Shiny, so very shiny. Beautiful stone. Not just one, but here another one is a green jade stone. Ito, super kinis naman niya. Napak-shiny. Look at this stone, guys. What can you say about our collections today? Look at this. We have plenty of different types of stone. Napaganda nito. Hindi nagbuyan sa mga green natin. Meron pa dito guys. At least nanalo one. Yan. Napaka-shiny kulay green. Dark green naman siya, diba? Napaganda nito. Combination ng kulay ng bato. So really beautiful guys. Yan. Green stone. All green transfer. Another one. Napaganda nito pag na-polish na may puti. Yan, quartz nagiging gemstone to guys. Magandang klase. It's purely like this. Becomes so very shiny. It's like a gemstone. Ito guys, another one. Look at this. It's a quartz stone again. Ayan. So one crystallized quartz stone. White and black din siya. There's black here around the stone. Napaganda. Another one guys. Let's take a look at another stone. Look at this, an agate stone. Ito guys, agate stone naman to. As you can see, is 3 agates. Something called green here. Yung green spotted. Look at this guys, napakaganda. Isang agate stone or 3 agate. Ito magiging gemstone pag na-polish na maganda. Maganda niya ito kasi purely talaga siya guys. Napakaganda ng white niya. Combination ng kanyang kulay. Beautiful stone. Ito guys, another one here. Look at this one. Ayan, crystallized, then spotted with color green. Ayan siya, napakalinis din. Ayan ito, nagiging gemstone din ito. Pag na-polish na ng maigi. Again, napakaganda din ito guys. Look at this guys. Oh. Iba yung combination ng ano niya. Kulay niya green and white crystallized. Napakaganda. Beautiful stone. Dito lang po yan sa ating channel guys, sa ating mga videos. Look at this, another one, white and color. This one, the stone spotted all around the stone. Look, this is napakaganda. Yan. Oops, lapit natin konti. Yan. Focus, napakaganda guys. Natural talaga yung kulay niya. Stone and textures, napaganda. Magiging gemstone to guys pag na-polish stone. Another here, another quartz, black white combination colors, napaganda. Yan siya guys, oh, napakatingkat kulay niya, crystallized white stone. Here another one, look at this, napakaganda nito naman, no? Yan, napaganda. It's broken here. Small portion ng ito siya guys, na maganda din siya. Here another one, let's take a look at this one. Yan, napakinis yung tab niya ito. White stone. Ito yung mga tawag nila, you can call this a white diamond. White diamond crystallized, napaganda. Another here, another white stone. Look at this one, crystallized. Nice din siya guys, no? Napakaganda din siya. Iwan ko kung anong klaseng stone. Ito, another one. Look at this one. Napaka-tingkat ng kulay niya. Napakaganda na combination ng yellow green crystallized, white crystallized na. Ayan guys. Beautiful stone. Wow, amazing. Beautiful combination of those kind of colors. Here, another one. Look at this. Ibang klase naman ito. Para siyang, it looks like a corals. Para siyang corals sa dagat. Ito klaseng stone na ito, nakita natin, napaganda din. Ayan siya. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Here, this combination of the color, napaka-ikat, good ng kulay niya, ang ganda. So really beautiful stone. Yan siya guys, oh. Makinis din siya. Nakaiba rin din, napakaganda din. Yan, yung mga collections natin, ba't iba yung kita natin daily. And guys, another one, look at this one, beautiful lovely stone. So really nice. Yan siya. Oh, lovely stone. Ayan. So, for more videos guys and latest videos of our stone collections, please be updated always here in our channel and our videos. Yan, nakikita nyo guys kano karanda yung mga collections natin. Yan, updated po kayo dyan dito sa atin. So please always be the first notified sa ating mga latest videos. See you guys for the next video. Yan, to God be the glory.